What is up, Sideways fam? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm with our buddy Nick's Mk4 Supra. We're gonna be doing something really cool. So w58's in your car. This car was a basically NA 5-speed car when it came in. Now it is turbocharged, and I have the hood pop for you. I have some stuff I'm gonna be showing you right now. So let me go ahead and flip the camera and I'll talk about it a little bit closer, showing you what's up. So if you haven't seen the video on this online already, this is our NAT Mk4 Supra. Basically your factory 5-speed NA Mk4 gone turbo. Go to get the cool, you know, intercooler, boost noises and everything too. You know, that all got done. So the car is w58 still. You can tell we got the coil packs. I'm gonna go over it real quick with you just so that you guys can see for the video. So this is a non-VVTi. We have the distributor capped. We're going ahead and getting cam signal from here. We actually converted the oil pump to a GTE oil pump and put a crank trigger in that. We're going ahead and running a full 4-facing intake manifold with our FMS 1000cc injectors. 1NZ, 1ZZ coil pack conversion. Comp turbo, I believe it's a 68, 65 with our whole turbo kit we usually use on all of our GEs or GTEs. We use a lot of comp turbo stuff. They are our friends. We love them. They are local, really good guys. Everything else is kind of just dress up, but all in all, there's no holes being cut. It's on a full standalone. One of our custom harnesses is made. We went ahead, and since this guy is a engineer person, kind of big on the California compliance stuff, we did the best that we could by putting in the evap canister, making everything, you know, basically recirc into where it's supposed to go, so it doesn't smell, so it's just nice. Went a little bit, you know, extra on everything, just kind of showing some other stuff that we did that was kind of cool too from that video too. If you don't see, we have a battery location in the foam that actually works out really well. It is a right-hand drive car. Like I said, so what I'm going to be talking about today, let me go ahead and get in the car, get the car started and warming up as I'm talking to you, and we'll go from there. So we got the car inside now. It's a new day. I had enough help to get the car inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you underneath the car what we're looking at right now before we go ahead and pull the diff out. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the new diff broken apart. I'm gonna go ahead and show you it with it all installed. And then we're gonna go ahead and get the new differential in the car. And we're gonna also put the bushings in, and then we're gonna go for a test drive. So let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, so once again, NA Mk4, only one bushing. His bushing here is pretty eroded. You can actually see all the way around it's there. That's also probably why the differential's kind of making a little bit of noise when he's pushing on it. Very rusty and kind of crappy looking underneath here. I know this car had a lot of rust problems before. It was a car that was from Japan. So we're gonna we might actually have to like spray some spray lube all over everything as well. It looks like he had a bad axle seal here as well, which does not matter because we're gonna be replacing all the seals and everything as well. Any leakage will no longer be an issue. It is a Weibo style differential and drive shaft because obviously the car is a factory 5-speed. I mean, later on he'll be able to go ahead and replace the bushing in here and get all this other stuff done when he goes ahead and deletes all this stuff. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drop the differential down. We're gonna get everything out and start installing all the new stuff. So let me go ahead and start getting through this real quickly. Hopefully, as I can see, some of this hardware is pretty disgusting and gross. Hopefully, it doesn't give me any pain in the ass getting it out, but I know it's gonna be like that anyways, so let's go ahead and get right into it. This is what I'm talking about for these rusty bolts, dude. It's just like, gotta fight it to go. Lovely, just asbestos and good stuff in your lungs. Alrighty, well, differential is out. Here is this nasty bitch. We can see, just so that everybody can see, we are open diff. Definitely not LSD. And diff honestly sounds like it was about to probably blow up, to be honest. So that doesn't sound good. Maybe it's low on fluid from it being leaking or whatnot. Probably never been touched or checked, but just a rusty, nasty bitch. So let's tear this thing apart, go get the new one. Alrighty guys, we got our brand new beautiful LSD here. Our new axle seals, you can see, are all put in and everything as well. Have it up on a box right here just so that we can show you. You can see all the clutch packs in the diff, spinning. So just super freaking nice unit. So everything's been done. New ring and pinion, new, like I said, new crush sleeve, new rear seal, new axle seals. So I'm gonna go ahead, just absolutely so freaking beautiful, dude. Look at that. Like, compared to what it was before, to come and look like this is just so freaking nice. It looks like it was like a brand new diff, which it is, but I mean, damn. Just so, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and seal this on here and put the fluid in. We've got our Kazz LSD fluid in here, our part number, got our brand new Powerhouse Racing bushings. These are really, really cool. I did a video on this already. Pretty awesome. They already have pretty much like a line that shows you where to go ahead and get them lined up on the car. You just kind of mark where the bushing is halfway, get it in, and then tighten them down, and we're in place. So let me go ahead. I'm gonna cut the bushings out. I'm gonna seal this. We're gonna get going and get that thing in the car. Okay, well, they are out. Got our beautiful Powerhouse Racing bushings here. We're gonna go ahead, and I've already lubed up the orifices. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting these in. All right, well, look at this beauty. Got the bushings in. Diff looks super awesome. But yeah, so. Alrighty guys, well, we are in the Mk4 Supra. Differential is in. I wanted to show you guys a quick drive of this thing, of the RPM, and just kind of how nice it is to have this differential in your car. Mind you, obviously, it's kind of hard to get all this stuff while I'm driving, being a single person in the car. I don't have anybody here to be able to help film with me. So, and I can show you, because it'd be a lot easier on a US car, obviously, but this car's right-hand drive and JDM. So give me a second, we're gonna get on the freeway. Now, let me get on the freeway real quick. We're in beautiful Orange County. Look at this, how nice this is here. Anyways, so we're cruising on the freeway right now, you know, about 80 kilometers per hour. We're at like 21, 2200. I mean, going with the flow of traffic, this is a huge difference just for driving wise. You know, usually with a W58, with the differential being a you know, 4.27 or, you know, 4.08, you're usually at like about 4,000 RPM in fifth, just cruising on the freeway. So it's kind of nice to be able to go with the speed of traffic and have it be lower, you know, like even getting into, you know, I'm assuming it's kind of more like around the 80 miles per hour. You know, when we get closer to about 3,000 RPM, we're 2,800, you know, going about, you know, 80-ish numbers on the freeway. So, I mean, this is pretty nice. I really enjoy this differential. I think it's like probably one of the best things for nice freeway driving. You can hear the transmission, you know, not screaming in the car. It feels very user-friendly, just very nice to drive. It doesn't feel like you're gonna burn up the transmission. One of the biggest things with these transmissions in these cars is if you basically drive the car long distance, a lot of people notice that when they get back, their W series starts making a bunch of noise, and the transmission tunnel creates a lot of, sorry about that, creates a lot of basically heat. So what happens is basically you're liquefying your transmission and, by overheating the hell out of it. You're running it too hot, the fluid gets liquefied, gets basically not even working, and then you burn your gears up. And then the gears get so brittle that what ends up happening is they just explode. So that one misshift or that one everything just leads to catastrophic failure. So I really enjoy this diff. I mean, like, even once again, looking at this real quick, we're just cruising on the freeway, dude. 80 kilometers per hour, just like totally cruising with the flow of traffic. You know, flow of traffic's generally about 65 miles per hour, you know, maybe 70. So it's like, you know, kph to miles per hour, not a huge difference, but I mean, just so freaking nice. Like, I love this. Like, I recommend this 100% to anybody that has a 5-speed in their car. W58 and RM54 gearing is slightly different. The R is a little bit longer, so you are gonna get a slightly bit lower RPM. But all in all, this is a good way to be able to basically keep the longevity of your transmission, just, you know, actually last in your car. I feel like most of the time with any of the W series stuff, people have a lot of issues because basically the gearing's so high, like I said, and they're overheating the tranny. That's why it explodes. So, I mean, anyways, I just wanted to kind of show this for the drive. Obviously, I'm just trying to also test drive the car for the customer, make sure everything's in good condition and nothing's making any weird noises. Car drives absolutely great. So I'm gonna actually turn back around on the freeway. I'll be here by Long Beach and head back to the shop, and we can talk more about it when we get to the shop. Alrighty, you guys, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Got another couple cars coming your guys' way, a couple more videos. Basically, we're just trying to show something super cool about how you can keep your 5-speeds in your car and basically have them drive like 6 speeds and have a 6-speed gearing with the 5-speed by re-gearing your ring and pinion. And while you're at it, why not put LSD in it? Let me know what you guys think. Anything you guys want to know about or want me to make a video about, let me know. Till next time, guys, peace.